Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Super excited today. We got an unboxing. I never thought I would be doing this unboxing. All right, but we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. All right, if you're familiar with my channel, I've had a lot of Apple products on this channel. All right, decided to make the switch to Android to Google. I know. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be getting the Google Pixel Pro XL, the Fold, any of the lineup of Google. Let me know. I'll be making more videos on this channel, kind of talking about more in detail why I decided to switch. But nevertheless, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. I have the 512 storage. All right, black Obsidian Google Pixel Pro XL. So stay tuned, stick to the end of this video. We're going to unbox this bad boy. Let me know in the comment section below. Is this Pixel's iPhone? Is this Pixel's flagship phone? Have they improved over the previous version? This is my first foray into Pixel, and so I will be judging this all on my own for the very first time and take you guys through that journey this year with some Pixel content. All right, so go ahead and take a look at it here. All right, also first time doing some multi-angled shots here, so we'll see how this turns out. We'll take a look there. Let's see if we can get a crisp zoom in there. Looks good. So let's jump in, go to the top-down view here, and let's take a look at this bad boy. So we'll take a look at the box. We've got Google there at the top. We've got a picture of the Pixel here in a black Obsidian. Turn it to the side. We've got Pixel Pro XL. On the back, we've got our iPhone-esque pull tabs, okay? iPhone-esque pull tabs. Excited to rip those off. It's always a good feeling when you rip the tabs off. Got some information down here at the bottom. Not going to show you the very bottom. It's got some carrier information. All right, I decided to go with the Pixel through my carrier. So I don't have money like that, all right, where I can just buy a ton of different devices and products and renting. I try not to buy a bunch of stuff and have to return it either. So I'm actually making the full switch from my iPhone 15 Pro Max to the Pixel. And so this is through my carrier. All right, so fully diving in here to the Pixel experience. So let's go ahead and bust these sticky tabs. You can only do it once. All right, so let's go ahead and bust these off. That feels good. That feels good. Let me go ahead and let me pull this off by the microphone. Oh yeah. So apparently I've heard and seen from some reviews already that this is the eco-friendly box, something of that nature. All right, so we'll throw these tabs off to the side, push this bad boy open. Should just slide out. There we go. Won't need this, nothing crazy on the inside there. And then our box looks cardboardy, feels cardboardy. All right, so the eco part might be true there. Got a picture of the Pixel on the front, and then nothing crazy, just kind of the indentation of where I pulled off the tabs on the back there, if you can see that. So nothing too crazy on the back of that box here. So without further ado, we're gonna bust this thing open. All right, so we'll take this off. All right, so my guess here is in the box going to have a charger somewhere. Maybe it's in the bottom, but looks like we've got some installation tool here. Got our installation tool, and let's see what else. Just some safety stuff there. Nothing on the inside of this. All right, so we got our installation tool. This is going to be a SIMmed device. All right, and then we'll go ahead and lift this out gently. All right, first feel, this feels very, very heavy. This has a good weight to it already. Now, if I wasn't using my iPhone to help shoot some of these angles, I would contrast. All right, these two, will do that in the future video, but this has great weight to it already. So we'll set that there, put our sim tool, and some of the other stuff off to the side. Looks like we've got our cable here for charging. Now, one of the things that drives me crazy with all these new devices is we are not getting the brick that goes with these. So no different here for Google. We're not getting the brick. Now, on the wrapping paper, we've got a little indication here that we're going to be able to fingerprint scanner. All right, charging port, SIM slot indicator, volume up and down, and power there. Okay, nice, good look at it there. So go ahead and slide this out. I think it's, what is it? Blanket? Do I dare rip? Or does it pull out? Let's see if I can pull it out. There we go. Looks like I can pull it out. Throw this off to the side. All right. So here we have it. This thing feels and looks pretty sweet. All right. Take a little look from a couple different angles here. All right. Let's see if we get that in there for you on there as it pop up. All right. That is the Obsidian Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now, right off the bat, we can see the G. For Google, that's going to be really different for me to see the G instead of the Apple, but we're going to work with that. We've got our camera bump, which it being my first Pixel, I have no real say in the other camera bumps. I didn't mind the bar that the Pixel had before in the previous versions, but kind of going along the lines of the new experience, the refresh in the product, coming from the Spider Eyes cluster camera system from Apple. Actually, I don't mind the different look in camera bump on this device. All right, so now we're gonna take a look around the outside. All right, if you're used to having an iPhone, there's normally buttons on this side, but there are no buttons on the other side here. There's nothing else here. Then we've got our up and down power button on this side. All right, give it a little bit of an angle of this protrusion here. If I can get that on there, it's the camera bump, kind of get a nice look at that camera bump. And then we've got what's going to be different. We'll power this on here. It's probably going to tell me I need to set my device up, so they won't be able to really show you a wallpaper or anything like that on here yet. But we've got the hole punch cutout on the Pixel, which is going to be different for me than the dynamic island. All right, so excited about that. Bottom, we've got our SIM, got our power, and might have got those mixed up. Looks like we got our speaker, power, SIM. Not used to that either. Been SIMless, eSIM, or digital SIM, whatever Apple just pumped out with the last iPhone. That's what I've had on there. So gonna have to get used to everything on this device. I feel like I'm a newbie with this accessory. I feel like I've forgotten everything about tech. Just checking this out, you guys can tell how excited I am about this product. All right, now I'm gonna be putting a screen protector on this thing. I put screen protectors on all of my devices. I've got cases coming. I've got cases that I wanna review. I wanna review a side-by-side comparison of the iPhone 15 Pro Max with this device. All right, we've got the 16 Pro Max lineup of Apple's devices coming out soon. So we'll see what that looks like. Like I said, because I'm doing this through carrier, I will probably be returning my iPhone 15 Pro Max and solely taking the plunge with the Pixel. So I'm gonna try to get as much content as possible out before I have to return the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Kind of do some side-by-side stuff, just take a look, because I'm curious as well. All right, but the moment of truth, let's power this thing on and see what we get. A little haptic feedback. We got the G powering up. Here we go. With a little Gemini signal. Powered by Android there at the bottom. Here we go. A little loading bar. It's the first time, like I said, setting up this device. So we will see what this does. May have to skip over that. I don't know. I gotta set this up. It's, like I said, my first time with putting a SIM card in a device. So I gotta check the box and all that good stuff. and get this set up. I'm super excited to have some follow-up videos for you guys. But welcome to your Pixel. I'm excited. So far, I like how premium this feels. I'm loving the screen. I'm loving the camera bump. We're gonna test some of this stuff out here in the next couple videos. So super excited to see what Pixel has to offer for someone that has never been on, well, can't say never. I guess started with Apple when they first came out. And I took a break around the 5. So I think I went Galaxy 5, that doo-doo brown gold one that they had. I did that one. And then Apple finally came out with plus size devices. So I came back around the 6 Plus. I've been on iPhone since. And so it's been 5+ years of being on iPhone. So I have a lot to learn, but it's gonna keep me interested, all right, in this product. So here's Google Pixel Pro 9 XL, mouthful to say the entire lineup, by the way, but here's all that comes in the box. Okay, let me know in the comment section below. Is there some cases, some products, some things I need to try out? What are some tips and tricks that you would suggest for me moving over to Pixel? Obviously the iCloud fiasco, all that stuff, green bubbles versus blue bubbles. Let me have it in the comment section below. If you're a Pixel Android user, what's some tips and tricks? If you're an Apple iPhone user just stopping on this video to take a look at the unboxing of this device, let me know if you plan on switching, if you're team iPhone for life. I just wanted to switch. I wanted to try something new. We're gonna see if I regret it, but I got high hopes right now that this is going to be a fun experience this year. So appreciate you guys. If you liked this video, if you liked some of the new multicam setup, we're gonna be trying some of that. I'm experimenting, all right, with this. So if you liked this video, if you find tech related content exciting, all right, go ahead and give me a like. If you're new to the channel, for Pixel related content, some more Android related content, go ahead and subscribe. If you like Apple related content, reviews, commentary, all that good stuff, I think you're gonna find that this channel is gonna be entertaining, interesting to you. So go ahead and hit the bell, subscribe, know when new videos go live. But like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.